Bloomreach Platform Online Training. Introduction to Bloomreach Platform. Bloomreach is a comprehensive digital experience platform (DXP) that focuses on enhancing the online shopping experience for both customers and businesses. It leverages artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and personalization technologies to deliver tailored content, products, and experiences to users across various digital channels. Here's an expanded introduction to the Bloomreach platform. 1. Personalization and AI-driven commerce. Bloomreach uses AI to create personalized user experiences, enabling businesses to recommend products, show relevant content, and display personalized promotions. Through Bloomreach Discovery, the platform helps businesses optimize product search and recommendations using deep learning and data analytics. This level of personalization is aimed at increasing customer engagement, improving conversion rates, and boosting average order value. 2. Content Management System (CMS). The Bloomreach CMS is designed to deliver content dynamically and consistently across all digital touchpoints, whether websites, mobile apps, or other customer-facing platforms. It helps businesses manage content efficiently while ensuring seamless integration with e-commerce platforms. Key features of Bloomreach CMS. Content automation, automation tools to deliver personalized content at scale. Multilingual and multi-site capabilities, manage multiple sites and languages from a central platform. Intuitive interface, a user-friendly interface for marketers with drag-and-drop functionalities. 3. Search and merchandising. Bloomreach offers advanced search capabilities through Bloomreach Search and Merchandising, which uses AI to improve product discoverability and relevance. This includes features like personalized search results, tailored search results based on user behavior, location, and preferences. AI-powered merchandising, tools to automatically optimize the merchandising of products, ensuring the most relevant products are highlighted. 4. Data and analytics. The platform integrates with various data sources and provides deep insights into customer behavior and e-commerce performance. It uses Bloomreach engagement to track customer journeys across multiple touchpoints, helping businesses refine their marketing strategies. Features include behavioral analytics, understanding how customers interact with your website, which products they browse, and where they drop off. Customer segmentation, advanced segmentation to target customers based on their purchasing behavior, preferences, and demographics. 5. E-commerce integrations. Bloomreach integrates seamlessly with leading e-commerce platforms like Magento, Shopify, and Salesforce Commerce Cloud. This allows businesses to optimize their existing e-commerce infrastructure with advanced capabilities for personalization, search, and merchandising. 6. Marketing automation. Bloomreach enhances marketing efforts through Bloomreach engagement, enabling personalized email campaigns, push notifications, and cross-channel engagement. Marketers can target users with the right content and offers, improving conversion rates and customer retention. 7. Cloud-based and scalable. As a cloud-native platform, Bloomreach is highly scalable, offering businesses the flexibility to grow and adapt to changing market conditions. Whether you are a small retailer or a large enterprise, the platform is designed to accommodate varying levels of complexity. Content management in Bloomreach platform. Bloomreach is a leading digital experience platform, DXP, that focuses on content management, commerce, and personalization. The platform integrates advanced content management capabilities with powerful data and AI-driven tools to deliver personalized experiences across digital channels. Here's an expanded look at content management in Bloomreach. 1. Content Management System, CMS. Headless CMS. Bloomreach offers a headless CMS, allowing marketers and developers to separate content creation from the delivery process. This enables the content to be used across multiple channels, web, mobile, IoT, etc., with flexibility. Content Modeling. The platform enables content structuring with content models, helping you define how content is created, organized, and delivered. It supports structured data, allowing for a more customized and dynamic experience for users. Multi-channel publishing. Content can be easily pushed to various front-end systems, websites, mobile apps, emails, and other devices, making it easy to manage content in real time across touchpoints. Content versioning. You can track changes to content over time, enabling rollback to previous versions, which is critical for auditing, testing, and content updates. 2. Personalization and targeting. AI-driven personalization. Bloomreach leverages AI to deliver personalized content, product recommendations, and search results based on user behavior, preferences, and demographics. Customer segmentation. The platform allows marketers to create and manage different customer segments to tailor content based on user profiles. Dynamic content. Content blocks can be dynamically displayed based on rules, user history, or behavior. This feature allows the delivery of personalized experiences without manual intervention. 3. Omnichannel integration. Cross-platform consistency. Content is delivered consistently across various platforms and devices, whether on a website, mobile app, social media, or email, ensuring a cohesive brand experience. Integration with other tools. Bloomreach integrates seamlessly with other marketing tools such as email marketing platforms, social media management systems, and CRM solutions for smooth content distribution. 4. Content search and discovery. Advanced search capabilities. With Bloomreach's search and merchandising functionality, content is easily discoverable. The platform uses AI to understand customer intent and deliver more accurate search results. Facet Search enables users to filter content and products based on different attributes, improving the content discovery process. 5. SEO optimization. SEO recommendations. Bloomreach offers integrated tools for SEO optimization, such as metadata management, URL optimization, and structured data management. The platform provides real-time feedback to help marketers optimize content for search engines. Automated SEO. With AI-powered recommendations, Bloomreach helps ensure that content is SEO-friendly, allowing marketers to enhance visibility without extensive technical expertise. 6. Content analytics. Performance tracking. Track how content performs across channels, such as page views, engagement rates, and conversion metrics. content insights, gain insights into which types of content resonate best with different audience segments, enabling data-driven decisions on future content creation. Search and merchandising with Bloomreach platform. Search and merchandising with the Bloomreach platform refer to the tools and capabilities within Bloomreach that enable businesses to optimize and enhance their online store's search functionality, product discovery, and merchandising strategies. Bloomreach offers a robust set of features aimed at improving customer experiences, increasing conversion rates, and providing data-driven insights for e-commerce businesses. Here's an expansion of key components in search and merchandising with Bloomreach. 1. Bloomreach Search. AI-driven search. The Bloomreach platform leverages AI and machine learning to provide smarter search results by understanding user intent, natural language queries, and customer behavior. This ensures that customers find relevant products even with vague or misspelled search terms. Personalized search. Bloomreach's search capabilities are tailored to provide personalized experiences by considering past user behavior, browsing history, and preferences to deliver search results that match individual customer profiles. Search relevance tuning. Retailers can customize the search engine's ranking algorithms to prioritize certain products, categories, or promotions based on business goals, example, highlighting seasonal products or exclusive offers. Synonyms and autocomplete, built-in functionality to enhance user search experience with synonym handling, spelling correction, and autocomplete suggestions to refine searches as users type. Facet search allows customers to filter search results based on product attributes such as size, color, price, brand, etc., improving the overall shopping experience. 2. Merchandising. Data-driven merchandising. The platform uses data and analytics to recommend the best products to feature on various pages, including the homepage, category pages, and landing pages. Merchants can make dynamic adjustments based on customer behavior, trends, and promotions. Rule-based merchandising. Retailers can create rules that automatically adjust which products are shown based on specific parameters, example promotions, sales, stock levels. This ensures the right products are displayed to the right customers at the right time. Dynamic product recommendations. Bloomreach offers dynamic recommendation engines that surface related or complementary products based on what customers have viewed, bought, or interacted with, improving cross-sell and upsell opportunities. Promotions management. Merchants can highlight specific deals or offers on search results and product pages, integrating promotions seamlessly with the user experience. Catalog management. With Bloomreach, merchants can optimize product visibility by organizing product catalogs to ensure the most relevant and popular items appear prominently across the site. 3. Analytics and insights. Search analytics. Bloomreach provides deep insights into search performance, including which search terms are driving traffic, conversion rates, and what customers are searching for but not finding. This data helps merchants refine their product offerings, adjust keyword strategies, and optimize search results. A/B testing. Merchants can use A/B testing to experiment with different merchandising strategies, example, layouts, content, product placements, to understand what drives better customer engagement and sales. Customer journey analysis. By analyzing user behavior, Bloomreach allows merchants to track how customers interact with search results and product pages, giving them insights into where customers are dropping off or how they are progressing toward purchase. Personalization strategies in Bloomreach platform. Bloomreach is a powerful digital experience platform, DXP, designed to personalize customer interactions, optimize marketing efforts, and improve e-commerce performance. Personalization in Bloomreach can be applied across various digital touchpoints to deliver tailored content, offers, and experiences to users based on their behavior, preferences, and interactions. Below are key strategies for leveraging Bloomreach for personalization. 1. Customer segmentation. Behavioral segmentation. Create personalized segments based on user interactions such as browsing history, purchase behavior, search queries, and click patterns. Bloomreach can track these behaviors across sessions and offer highly specific content recommendations. Demographic segmentation. Personalize content and offers based on demographic data, including location, age, and gender. This allows businesses to target different customer groups with tailored messaging and offers. Predictive segmentation. Use Bloomreach's AI-powered capabilities to predict the most likely customer segments for a given product or campaign. This can enhance the relevance of personalized offers and optimize conversions. 2. Personalized search results. Contextual search. Tailor search results to the individual user's behavior and intent. Bloomreach's intelligent search algorithms can adapt search rankings based on previous searches, purchase history, and on-site activity, presenting users with more relevant results. Synonym and spelling correction. Enhance the search experience by addressing typos, synonyms, and different ways customers search for the same products. This increases search relevance and ensures customers find what they are looking for more easily. 3. Product recommendations. Collaborative filtering. Use Bloomreach's AI-driven recommendation engine to suggest products based on the behaviors and preferences of similar users. This is especially useful for cross-selling and upselling. Personalized upsell cross-sell. Display personalized upsell or cross-sell recommendations based on the user's browsing history, previous purchases, and items they've interacted with. This can boost average order value and conversion rates. Dynamic recommendations. Bloomreach can adjust recommendations in real time based on the user's current behavior, session data, and past actions on the site. 4. Content personalization. Dynamic content. Bloomreach enables the dynamic delivery of personalized content, including images, banners, and product suggestions based on user data. Content can be tailored to specific user segments, enhancing engagement. Personalized landing pages. Based on customer data, Bloomreach can automatically serve personalized landing pages to users, showcasing the most relevant offers, products, or content to increase conversion. A/B testing. Implement A/B testing on different variations of personalized content, such as messaging, images, or promotions, to identify the most effective strategies and continuously optimize the user experience. 5. Email and campaign personalization. Automated email campaigns. Use customer data to send personalized emails based on behavior triggers, example, abandoned carts, product recommendations, or special offers. Bloomreach allows for dynamic email content that adjusts based on user activity and preferences. Life cycle email personalization, tailor email content to the stage of the customer journey. For instance, new visitors might receive onboarding content, while repeat buyers get personalized offers and recommendations based on their past purchases. Customer retargeting. Use Bloomreach's insights to retarget customers who have abandoned their carts or visited specific pages but did not convert, offering them personalized incentives or product reminders. Data integration and management in Bloomreach platform. Bloomreach is a digital experience platform, DXP, that helps businesses create personalized, optimized online experiences. It integrates data from various sources to provide powerful personalization, search, and merchandising capabilities. Data integration and management in the Bloomreach platform involves several key aspects, including how the platform ingests, processes, and utilizes data to enhance the customer experience. Here's an expanded view of data integration and management within the Bloomreach platform. 1. Data sources integration. Bloomreach integrates data from multiple sources to provide a unified view of customer interactions. This includes e-commerce platforms, example Shopify, Magento, Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Customer Relationship Management, CRM, systems, example Salesforce, HubSpot. Product Information Management, PIM, systems, example Akeneo. Third-party analytics tools, example Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics. ERP systems for managing inventory, order data, etc. Social media and external data feeds, example from social platforms or external marketing tools. 2. Data ingestion and processing. Bloomreach provides various methods for ingesting data from these systems. APIs and connectors. Bloomreach offers pre-built connectors to popular systems like Shopify, Magento, and Salesforce, making it easier to pull data into the platform. Batch data processing. For bulk data import or integration, Bloomreach supports batch data upload processes for systems like PIM or ERP. Real-time data streaming. For real-time data integration, the platform can handle live data streams such as customer clicks, purchases, and product views to trigger personalized experiences on the fly. Data pipelines. The platform often integrates with data pipeline tools to manage complex workflows for transforming, enriching, and loading data into its ecosystem. 3. Data transformation and enrichment. Once data is ingested, it often requires transformation to align with the platform's data model. This can involve data cleansing, ensuring that the incoming data is clean, accurate, and free of errors. Normalization, transforming data into a consistent format for easier analysis and integration. Enrichment, adding additional data points from external sources, such as customer segmentation data, to provide more context and improve targeting. Data aggregation, consolidating data from various sources into a unified, accessible format for analysis and personalization. 4. Customer Data Management, CDP. Bloomreach has a strong focus on customer data platforms, CDP, to centralize and manage customer data. This allows businesses to create unified customer profiles, integrate customer data from disparate sources to build comprehensive, actionable profiles, segment audiences. With rich data from various channels, Bloomreach can create segments based on customer behaviors, preferences, and other characteristics. Analytics and insights in Bloomreach platform. Bloomreach is a digital experience platform (DXP) that integrates content, commerce, and data to deliver personalized experiences across digital touchpoints. Analytics and insights are crucial aspects of Bloomreach as they enable businesses to optimize their customer experiences, enhance decision-making, and drive business outcomes. Below is an expanded look at the analytics and insights features within the Bloomreach platform. 1. Customer Behavior Analytics. Bloomreach offers advanced analytics tools that track customer behavior across websites, apps, and other digital channels. These tools collect data on customer interactions, what pages they visit, what products they view, and how they navigate the site. Conversion tracking, how visitors are moving through the sales funnel and which steps may be causing friction. Engagement metrics, understanding user engagement levels with different content and products. Segmentation, the ability to segment users based on their behavior, demographics, and interaction history, allowing businesses to target groups with more personalized content. 2. Search and merchandising analytics. Bloomreach uses machine learning algorithms to enhance search and merchandising efforts on e-commerce sites. The platform's search analytics provide insights into search queries. What are the most common search queries? Are there any trends or emerging interests? Search performance. How effective are search results in driving engagement or conversion? Search result optimization. Insights into which search results perform best and which may need adjustment based on performance metrics. Product recommendations. Data-driven insights into how product recommendations are performing, helping merchandisers fine-tune the recommendations engine for higher conversion. 3. Personalization and segmentation. Bloomreach provides robust tools for personalizing experiences based on detailed insights into customer data. These capabilities include behavioral data analysis. Using real-time data, businesses can personalize content, offers, and products based on user actions, preferences, and historical behavior. Dynamic content serving, automatically adapting the content displayed to users depending on their preferences, device, or location. Advanced segmentation, the ability to create targeted segments based on customer behavior, interests, or demographic data, enabling highly personalized experiences. 4. A/B testing and experimentation. Analytics also extend into experimentation, where businesses can run A/B tests on various elements such as content variations, testing different versions of content to see which resonates best with different user segments. Layouts and UI elements, experimenting with different designs or features to see how they affect conversion or engagement. Product and offer testing, testing various product offerings or pricing to determine which options maximize sales. Data-driven insights, with each experiment, the platform collects data and provides insights on which variations drive the best performance, allowing businesses to iterate and improve continuously. 5. Reporting and dashboards. Bloomreach provides customizable dashboards and reporting tools that allow businesses to view insights in a comprehensive and digestible format. Key features include real-time reporting, access to real-time performance data, allowing businesses to act quickly on emerging trends or issues. Optimization and testing in Bloomreach platform. Optimization and testing are essential for maximizing the performance and effectiveness of the Bloomreach platform, which offers capabilities in personalized customer experiences and e-commerce solutions. Here's an expanded view of how optimization and testing can be applied to various areas of Bloomreach. 1. Content personalization optimization. Behavioral data integration. Bloomreach leverages customer behavior data from browsing, previous purchases, etc. to personalize content. Optimizing how this data is captured and analyzed can increase the relevance of personalized recommendations. Segmentation and targeting. Utilize data to create more precise customer segments. Optimizing segment creation and targeting based on real-time data will ensure that content recommendations are most relevant, enhancing customer engagement. A/B testing for personalization. Implement A/B testing on personalized content, such as product recommendations, landing pages, or banners. Testing different content strategies helps determine which approach drives higher conversion rates or customer satisfaction. Content load time optimization. To optimize user experience, ensure that personalized content loads quickly. Minimize the latency of dynamic content delivery, particularly for users with varying internet speeds. 2. Search and merchandising optimization. Search relevance tuning. Bloomreach offers powerful search capabilities powered by AI. Optimization can involve fine-tuning the algorithms behind search results, adjusting how products are ranked and presented based on customer preferences, inventory, or promotional needs. Facet search optimization. Ensure that search filters, size, color, price, etc. work efficiently and optimize how they are displayed to customers. Reducing unnecessary filters or improving their logic can streamline the shopping experience. Search conversion rate optimization. Measure and optimize the search-to-purchase funnel. Track key metrics like click-through rates, CTR, on search results, engagement with product detail pages, and conversion rates from search queries to sales. 3. Mobile optimization. Responsive design testing. Ensure that all Bloomreach-powered e-commerce sites are fully responsive on mobile devices. Optimization should focus on user experience, from load times to intuitive navigation. Mobile-specific personalization. Tailor content and product recommendations based on mobile user behavior. Test different mobile UI/UX designs to enhance ease of navigation and conversions on mobile devices. 4. Performance and speed optimization. Page load speed, a critical factor in user experience and SEO, optimizing load times for pages, especially when personalized content is loaded dynamically, is key. Techniques like lazy loading for images, optimizing code, CSS, JavaScript, and reducing server response times can improve performance. Caching strategies. Use caching techniques to improve the response time for frequently accessed content. Bloomreach's caching mechanisms for personalized content should be fine-tuned to ensure the best performance without sacrificing content accuracy. 5. A/B testing and multivariate testing. A/B testing for customer journeys. Test different customer journeys within the Bloomreach platform, such as variations of product discovery, checkout processes, and post-purchase experiences. Use A/B tests to determine the most effective paths for customers. Testing content variations. Run multivariate tests on elements like product recommendations, banners, search results, and homepage layout. Testing different combinations of these elements can help discover the most effective configuration to maximize engagement and sales. Why choose ProExcellency for Bloomreach platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Bloomreach platform online training offers several key benefits. Expert instructors. ProExcellency provides experienced and certified trainers who have hands-on expertise with the Bloomreach platform, ensuring that you learn from the best. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers a wide range of topics, including Bloomreach commerce, experience, personalization, and search. The curriculum is designed to equip you with the skills needed to effectively use the platform for digital experience management. Real-world use cases. ProExcellency offers practical examples and case studies that demonstrate how Bloomreach can be applied in real-world business environments, helping you understand its capabilities and advantages in digital commerce. Flexible learning. With online training, you can learn at your own pace, fitting the course around your schedule. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your expertise, ProExcellency offers different learning modules to suit your needs. Hands-on experience. The training often includes interactive labs and hands-on sessions that allow you to work directly with the Bloomreach platform, enhancing your learning experience and building confidence in using the tools. Certification preparation. ProExcellency helps prepare you for Bloomreach certification exams, ensuring that you are fully prepared to validate your skills and increase your professional credibility. Support and guidance. The platform provides ongoing support and personalized guidance throughout the training process, helping you address specific challenges and questions you may have. Up-to-date content. ProExcellency keeps its training materials updated with the latest features and best practices, ensuring that you are always learning the most current information. Thank you.